Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. For 4 months ago, I walked out of a jail cell after serving 2 years. I had a criminal record, I was on probation, and I had a borrowed laptop, a bedroom, and no income. No job, no disability check yet, nothing coming in. Just family asking every single day, what jobs did you apply for? Today, I'm going to show you 3 AI tools I built in those 4 months with zero money, with borrowed equipment, with AI as my only co-builder. Tools that companies pay thousands of dollars for. Tools that are live right now. Tools that actually work. My goal? $1,600 a month. My first income in over 2 years. And when I hit that goal, then $3,000 a month. I'm moving to the Philippines to run this full time, and I have complete independence. This is how I rebuilt my life from absolute zero. Everything you're about to see is real. Everything is functional. Everything is live. And I built it all with nothing but AI as my partner, a borrowed MacBook, and the absolute refusal to stay down. Let me be extremely clear about where I was 4 months ago. I walked out of jail after 2 years. I had a conviction on my record. I was on probation with restrictions. I applied for expedited disability, but I still haven't received anything yet. Zero income, no savings, no job prospects. Every single application would require disclosure. Every interview would be the same story. Explain the conviction, wait while they check with their managers, get the polite rejection. I'm a former educator with a computer science degree in security. I know how to solve problems. I know how to build things. But traditional employment wasn't going to give me a chance. So I borrowed a laptop, I found a bedroom to work in, and I started building with the only partner who wouldn't judge me, AI. 4 months, $0, just me. AI and the determination to prove my past doesn't define my future. And today I'm going to show you what's possible when you have nothing to lose and everything to prove. The first tool I built is called Pi Guardian, Enterprise Data Protection. It's enterprise data grade data protection software, a Chrome extension that scans web pages for personally identifiable information, social security numbers, credit card details, API keys, emails, and phone numbers. It prevents data leaks before they happen. Companies pay thousands of dollars for this kind of security software. Enterprise DLP solutions cost hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. I built this because I understand what it's like when systems fail you, when personal information gets exposed, when one mistake can destroy everything you have left. So I built protection. Pi Guardian is live on the Chrome store right now. Anyone can install it. It's currently free. But here's what matters. I built enterprise security software, 4 months out of jail with zero income, with a borrowed laptop in someone else's bedroom. I have a computer science degree in security, no security clearance, no venture capital, no team, no money, just me and AI trying to figure out together. That's tool number one. Tool number two is a prompt engineering suite. Most people using AI have no idea how to write prompts. Professional prompt engineers charge $500 or more for a single expert prompt because they understand advanced techniques. I built a tool that does all of that automatically in about 15 minutes for free. Watch this. I'm going to give it a simple idea, an AI assistant for productivity and time management. Give me an AI tool for productivity and time management, an AI assistant. Now, as you can see on the screen, it takes images, workflows, flyers, diagrams, screenshots, documents, and all files will be analyzed to create contextual meta prompts. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to ask questions. A productivity time manager and AI assistant is a fantastic application of AI. Great. Deep discovery questions. So now I'm going to take this one step at a time. Let's take this one step at a time. I am a neurodivergent person. I have autism, and that's why I'm trying to design something like this. It wants to understand data sources, constraints, success criteria, edge cases, everything that separates a basic prompt from an expert level one. That works. Let's go ahead and make the prompt, please. Thank you. By the way, the thing that I'm using to create is called Whisper Flow, and that will be in my description as well. It's a great software. So what it's going to do is it's going to give me strategic analysis of prompting techniques, complete role definition, and a lot of other stuff. It even tells you what AI model to use and why. And when it gets done, watch this. Boom. It has the role. It does this in complete markdown texting language, which means that the AI that I put this into can actually understand its role, its context, and everything else. All of this done within 20 minutes. And if I had wanted to, I could have taken this a lot further. It handles error handling. It handles performance benchmarks. It even gives me the recommended AI model, Claude Opus 4 in this case. It gives me the reasoning. It gives me an alternative. It gives me modal selection criteria. It gives me performance expectations. I built this because I needed this type of prompts but couldn't afford to pay for them, so I taught AI to be the prompt engineer I couldn't hire. Now, that's tool number 2. Tool number 3, oh, we're not done yet, folks, is called FlowFuse, or the Workflow Automator. The third, everyone talks about AI agents and automation, but nobody knows how to actually build it. This tool takes your workflow idea, you can type it in, upload an image, and I'll even show you. You can type it in, upload an image or several images. You can import JSON files. And what I will do right now is I will actually upload an image and show you exactly what you're going to get. We're going to take an image. Let's take this one. We're going to open it, and it's going to analyze it. What it's going to do is create a workflow. This is what workflow consultants charge $2,000 to $5,000 for. I built this because automation shouldn't require computer science degrees. It shouldn't cost thousands of dollars. It should be accessible to anyone who has an idea and needs to build it. That's tool number 3. 3 tools, 4 months, $0, 1 borrowed laptop. Here's why I'm telling you all this, guys. I built these tools because I had to. Because traditional employment said no. Because I had 0 income and no other options. Because sitting around applying for jobs that would reject me wasn't working. And just for the fun, let's export this. And it gives me a JSON and a screenshot of the actual workflow. I gotta look at that. Resources don't matter. Here's what I've proved in the process. Your past doesn't matter if you can build something valuable. Resources don't matter when AI can be your team. Money doesn't matter when the tools to build are free or cheap. Your criminal record doesn't matter when products either work or they don't. My goal right now is simple, to make $1,600 a month. That's it. That's my first income goal. After 2 years in jail and 4 months with no income, $1,600 a month should be life-changing. Then $3,000 a month so I can move to the Philippines with my fiance and have full independence. With all 3 tools bundled at $69 a month, I need 24 customers to hit my first goal, 44 customers to hit my second goal and move overseas, 24 people who see the value in what I've built, 24 people who want to support someone building their way out of impossible circumstances. Here's what you get today. PyGuardian, Enterprise Data Protection, free on the Chrome Store. Prompt Engineering Suite, Expert AI prompts in 15 minutes, free, 3 prompts per month, Pro, $29 per month, unlimited. Workflow Automator, complete automation blueprints, free, 3 workflows per month, Pro, $29 per month, unlimited, or get all 3 bundled for $69 per month and save. Links are in the description. Everything is live right now. In 18 months, my probation ends. I'll be done with check-ins, done with restrictions, done with explaining my past to people who've already decided what I'm worth. I'll be in the Philippines with my fiance running these tools full-time, and nobody will ever be able to stop me or reject me again. But it starts here, with you watching this video, with the first 24 customers who take a chance on what I've built. If you want to try these tools, links are below. And if you are in the situation like I was, if the system says no, if you have nothing, if everyone counts you out, I just showed you it's possible. You don't need permission. You need resources. You just need to start building. Thanks for watching.